Hey guys, Wednesday again, which means it's recipe day from our challenge ebook. This time we're going to go through a northern spiced Thai beef dip. I tried this at one of the Thai restaurants one time and it was absolutely beautiful. Macro breakdown for this is 15 grams of carbs, which are coming from the onion and tomato pretty much, nothing else in there. 12 grams of fat, which is coming from our olive oil that we've mashed things up in, and 25 grams of protein. Calories on this one, 268. Good for a snack, good for a meal. All I've done so far is round off my mince in there, which is 100 grams of just lean beef mince that we've got going in the pot. Get it nice and brown, no red in it. We've got some chopped onion, some chopped tomato, and this is the little concoction here that we make up. You'll find this in the ebook. It's just a teaspoon of olive oil, a little bit of shrimp paste, about a teaspoon of shrimp paste in there, which gives a nice little seafoody smell. It'll cook off as you actually break it down. And some cayenne pepper, pretty straightforward. Some spring onions, and everyone's favourite, the oldie coriander. So, really easy recipe to make up once you've done the prep and got it all chopped up like I have. Get your mince browned off nicely. Then we're going to add in our little concoction of mashed stuff in here. Get him in there. So the cayenne pepper is going to give it a bit of a boost, a little bit of a kick. I'll put a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in there. You can go a little bit less if you don't want it too spicy. Joel loves a bit of spice behind the camera there. Me, not too much. I'm a spice bitch, I have it. Basically, we're just going to cook that down, get it all mixed in. As soon as that's mixed up, all blended through. Oh, smells that are coming off this thing. We've also got 5 cloves of garlic in there as well. I almost forgot that. The recipe is in the ebook. Cook him down a little bit. Righto. Now it's as simple as dumping in the rest of the stuff. Get the tomatoes in there, dropping stuff. Good catch. Cool. Well. Onions, spring onions, and of course the old coriander. Someone's favourite, someone hates it. I'm just going to give that a quick rinse off. Joel can check that out, wash them. All simmering down in there, look at that, beautiful colours in it. Just going to give that a big mix up. Now basically, when I had this at the Thai restaurant, it's just a nice little dip. So that's what we're going to make up today. We're just going to mix it all together, cook it off, let those tomatoes reduce down a little bit. Normally you'd put this on for about 20 minutes and let everything reduce nicely. And what I'm going to add in there is just a little bit of water, just to get some steam going. Just keep that nice and juicy. There we go. Flavours, smells that are coming off it, beautiful. So you could have this as a snack or you could have it as pretty much a meal. Good protein, good amount of carbs in there, and still a pretty low calorie meal. At 268 calories, it's still pretty low. Beautiful. Now all I've done over here, while I'm going down just a little bit more, turn up a bit, is I've just chopped up some carrots, a bit of cos lettuce and a bit of cucumber just to use to dip. So we'll get this stuff, switch him off. It's cooked up enough for now. Just going to put a little bit in our cup. Now normally, as I said, we would reduce this down a little bit more, but we're short of time, so there it is, straight in the cup there. Now all you can do, just grab a little bit of your lettuce, a little bit of the dip in there, and bingo. Easy recipe to make, nice, quick, simple. Good to even have at a party. Oh my God, that's beautiful. If you want to check out the recipe, www.fitforlifenutrition.com. The recipe ebook's out on the page there, check it out. Our challenge is closing in 7 days, our 8-week challenge. So jump on it. This is just part of the challenge food that we have in the recipe book for them. We'll see you again next Wednesday. Have a great week.